Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you are looking for a pressure cooker, then you need to check this one out. This one here is a heavy duty 304 stainless steel pressure cooker. This thing's got some weight to it. This thing is made to be secure and safe when using pressure cookers. So don't be intimidated by buying a pressure cooker. And again, this is going to serve to 1 to 3 people. Now we have 2 small kids, so this is perfect for our family of 4. But this is going to have a nice handle, a nice lid. There's a gasket there. So when you're first putting it on, again, this is stainless steel. You'll line it up right there, right? And then you want to click this. Now it does take pressure to get that locked into place, but now you're locked. Now you are greeted with release the steam, and you have different settings, so 1, 2, and 3. So when you're done cooking, you can release that pressure, and then you'll be able to turn this to open it after you're done cooking. So this is going to be, you can cook this on gas, electric, your ceramic, induction. So any of your cooking surfaces that you can go ahead and use this for. There's going to be even cooking because the heat is distributed nicely with this base. So you're not going to have any like hot spots. So overall, a great pressure cooker. This is the 4.2 quart. They do make some larger ones if you need bigger ones, but for a family of 4 with small kids, this one's perfect. And again, this will fit nicely in your cabinet with your other pans and pots. So definitely check out this pressure cooker. Again, shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.